Hi, welcome to Physical Product Cash video number 14. In this video, we are going to discuss about scaling your Amazon affiliate business. Scaling is increasing your websites, at the same time increasing your profits and affiliate commissions. There are two types of scaling possible. One is from the existing sites and the second one is adding a new sites. Let's discuss the first one with the existing sites. Why I am informing about the existing sites? What do you mean by scaling the existing sites? Okay, so for example, assume you have a site based on the tents and your site is up and you have done all the content, you have put 25 articles, you have done SEO promotions, those kind of things, and you're getting traffic now and you started earning. So the first thing I want you to concentrate on scaling is the existing sites, because your existing site is already there and Google is giving traffic to your sites and you are making money. And you can scale your site by adding more content related to your product. So first thing, for that content, I want you to go and analyze the stats. So there are three places where the stats are available. One is the Google Webmaster Tool, which we have already installed and configured, and Google Analytics, which we have done in the plugin section. And the third one is the stats available in your hosting cPanel stats, which is called AW stats. So you can go to the Google Webmaster Tool and see every month, or you can see for a 3 months or 6 months block, what are the keywords which getting you the traffic. If you don't have a keyword specifically for that keyword, if you don't have any page specifically for that keyword, you create a page so that it will be easy for ranking, because already you are getting traffic for the keyword. So when you have a dedicated page for the keyword, it's much easier and you will getting direct traffic. So number one is go and check the Google Webmaster Tool and find the keywords which you are getting. If you don't have for a keyword any page for the keyword, create a page. Similarly, check the Google Analytics and see what are the keywords you are getting there, and if any keywords you don't have content, you create the content. Also, you go to the cPanel stats. cPanel stats is available in your cPanel. So you log into your web hosting service. This is how the cPanel will look like. So if you go there, this is where the AW stats is there. When you click the AW stats under the log section, and you will have your website here, and click the view button, and you will get the stats for every month. So you can check every month stat here by selecting the month. On the bottom of this section, there will be a keyword phrases. What are the search keyword phrases we are getting? This is a very new site, so nothing is coming there. So you will get a lot of keywords here based on the keyword search. So you can find here also the keywords which you are going to create a content on. So this is for the existing sites, so that you create more pages. Assume you create another 10-15 pages. So that means you have more chances of getting traffic, and you are scaling it slowly and making the site bigger. The second type of scaling is creating the new sites. So there are hundreds of niches available. So once you have done the first site, you can go to the next site. Very similar, don't skip any steps in this step-by-step tutorial which I keep provided you. Do as you have done for the first website. Select the niche, create your keyword research, select the keywords, create the content, install your website, do the SEOs, do the advanced SEOs, on-site SEOs, off-site SEOs, plugins, everything, and from A to Z, and then your second site will be ready and you will get more traffic. So by adding more number of sites over a period of time, you scaling your business slowly. So I want you to set a goal for your online business. Treat this as a business. Nothing happens overnight. So it takes a little bit of time. It takes for you to create the site. Assume, for example, you take 30 days to create a site if you are doing part-time, or if it is full-time a week like that. And it takes time for creating the site, and it takes time for the Google to see your content, rank your site, and then slowly it builds up. So nothing happens overnight. You have to wait patiently. And then while you are waiting for the first site, you can create the second one, third one, fourth one, so on and so forth. So I want you to set your earning goals. A minimum of $200 per site is easily possible. If you are doing it right, it's easily possible. If it is that is not happening, that means you have done somewhere something wrong. You can analyze and go back and see what has gone wrong. So you treat one website a goal of $200. So when you create 10 sites over a period of time, what happens? Your goal will be around $2,000. And slowly, consistently, if you make it 20 sites over a period of some time, like 6 months or 9 months, after 1 year, you will be in a position to earn $4,000, which almost replace your full-time income. So this is how you have to grow your online business. So I'm very confident by taking action as mentioned in the step-by-step blueprint which I have provided you, you can earn this level of income. You will be successful, but if you are consistent and taking action is the key. So good luck with your online journey. I hope this course has helped you. Stick with the product. Don't go to the shining objects one after other. Nothing is going to happen if you just move on to shining objects. Just take one horse, ride it until you become an expert. So do your homework, be consistent, take action, scale your levels, and you will definitely become a full-time online earner. So good luck with your online journey. Thank you very much for picking my product. Good luck.